Good afternoon, students. Good afternoon, everyone who is watching this video. Homework again. And let's get started. Today we are using workbook, English workbook, page 40. We continue to study animals' homes, and today's text about this again. Where are the animals' homes? Let's read together. Follow me. Animals have many different homes. I have a pet kitten. It lives in my home. I also have a pet goldfish. They live in a tank of water. Lots of other animals live in water. Jellyfish and starfish live in the ocean. Eagles and other birds make nests in trees. Trees are homes for lots of other animals too. Opossums live in a tree hollows. Where is the bird? It's in the nest. Some animals make their homes. Honeybees make a hive. Then they make honey in it. Where are the honeybees? They are in the hive. Other animals find their homes. Some crabs live in old seashells. That's all about the text today. Animals' homes. The question for today is: where is the bird? Alright, 3 words for reading. First one. See. See. 2. Smell. Smell. And 3. Hear. Hear. See, smell, hear. Great job for today, students. Do your homework, send to me, you're the best. Stay healthy, be strong. I know you can. Okay. Bye-bye.